This is Material Girl 338. I am making stuffed mushrooms, and I got these on a really good price yesterday. I cleaned them and they're just waiting for the stuffing, and I will show you what I do with my stuffing. So I'm heating up here. I have some breadcrumbs, some seasoned breadcrumb, fresh parsley. I put about 3 tablespoons of grated Pecorino Romano cheese. I have a little bit of salt and pepper, and anything else? No, I think that's it. So what I'm doing now is I'm browning the breadcrumb because I wanted to get like a nice toasty color. Okay, and you have to really watch it when you do it this way because it can overcook very quickly. So it gives it a nice flavor to it too because you're cooking the bread. So once this turns like you see it now, it's starting to turn like a nice toasted color. Once this happens, I'm going to put it in a glass dish and I'm going to let it cool. And then once it cools, I'll show you the next step. Now what I did was I cut up, these are the stems of the mushrooms. And then this is some shallots, and these are sun-dried tomatoes. And I have some onions here. And like all my videos, I'm not using all these onions. I just, cut them because I'm always using onions. And I have some fresh parsley there. Okay, so when I get to that step, I'll make the next video and I'll show you what I do. What I did was I browned my breadcrumb, and I had a little bit of the stuffing that I made for the pork loin, which is waiting to go into the frying pan, but I can, do one thing at a time here. So I have a little frying pan with some olive oil in there, and the breadcrumbs are nice and browned. So I mixed whatever I didn't stuff the pork loin with into here, because I'm going to stuff the mushrooms. So right now what I'm doing is I'm sauteing the stems of the mushroom. I'm going to get these nice and crispy. And I got them sauteing in a little bit of butter and extra virgin olive oil. And then when they get nice and crispy, I'm going to add the shallots, some onions. I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to put some shallots, onions, and the sun-dried tomatoes. And in this right now, it's just the mushroom stems. I didn't add any salt, no pepper, no nothing. I want them to brown. So like the mushroom part, they make a water and then they fry after that. The second or the third part of the mushrooms, I browned my breadcrumb like you've seen previously, and I added the stems. I cooked the stems. I added a little bit of red O-Peachy wine to my stems when they're cooking. It just gives it a better flavor. And now I'm sauteing the onions, the shallots, and the tomato, sun-dried tomatoes. And I didn't put too much salt in here, and I put some fresh parsley. And I just want to get the onions soft because then I'm going to have to bake them in the oven. Everybody, my stuffed mushrooms are done. We kind of like overcooked them a little bit, but it's okay. They're not, they're not undercooked, but they look delicious. And if you want, see how they cracked? That's because it needed a little bit more oil. But I don't want to waste my oil on top of the mushrooms, so they're perfect just the way they are. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please post them below. And please subscribe to my channel because I always have new videos coming in. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Everybody, this is the finished meal. This is the stuffed mushrooms. I made some Brussels sprouts, and this is the pork loin. It looks beautiful, and I'm sure it's going to taste beautiful. Okay.